What's up, guys? It's me, obviously, and I'm making a rainbow crepe cake. You know, like the one you see on Tasty, this one right here. But I'm attempting that. I've never before in my life made crepes. I don't know how it works. I don't know what the consistency is supposed to be. I'm just kind of going with the flow with it. So, we're just gonna hope for the best. So I have the recipe. It is really simple ingredients, so I'm just gonna get right into it. We're gonna go. All right. Let's see. In a bowl, whisk flour and sugar. So flour is 2 1/4 cups of flour. 1, 2. Sugar. I'm pretty sure it's like 7 tablespoons or something like that. 7 tablespoons of sugar. Notice these bowls have ounces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What are you doing? Trying to get a drink? All the way in the back.
I want that drink.
Very short. Okay, I got it.
I'm gonna zoom in on you struggling. Listen, eggs. 6 eggs. That's dramatic. So, baking hack. So you don't accidentally drop eggs into your mixture and you can't, eggshell. See, look, I'm literally breaking it. You do it in a separate bowl so that if you do drop some, you can easily get it out. So lately I've been watching Naked and Afraid. I am obsessed. I got everybody obsessed, even the kids, and my parents are watching. My parents are currently watching it. When we don't really know what to watch, we'll put that on. Or Chopped. I've been watching Chopped too. Okay, we're gonna put another one in because it's getting stuck. If you can hear my cat, I'm so sorry. She's in heat. She's being a lot. Oh my god, my arm. Okay, let's see what's next, because if it's milk, I'm gonna put it in now. Then gradually mix in butter and warm milk. Much better. 6 tablespoons of butter melted. A lot going on here. Okay. Three whole cups of frickin' milk. 2. Oh my goodness. 3. This is gradually, so I'm just gonna wait for the butter. Alright, we're gonna go slowly but surely. Very chunky. I really hope this thins out. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest. One. One. Let's start with red. I'm gonna get a mini whisk. This one's so cute. That's purple. That is purple. Why does it say red? Okay. Camera shut off for me again. This is freaking purple, but it's red. There is no purple in here. I don't even know how to make that red. Like, how do you go back? That's an inconvenience. Oops. How? Okay, this one's gonna be blue. Let's hope this isn't freaking aqua or some crap. I don't even know. Oh my god, that pisses me off. Like, what am I supposed to do? Like, I don't have red. Like, I don't even have red gel. I think it's like because of the crepe color. This is not dark. Okay, sort of like a green blue, but it's fine. Oh, well, the yellow's pretty. Let's do green. I literally don't know what to do about the red. There's a fly. That just threw off my whole life. Okay, I'm making the green. It looks weird. I literally don't know how to make the red. I'm so scared. Whoa. That green is green. Excuse me, fly. Get out of here. Okay, it looks really similar to... What colors do I need now? Why is it red now? Oh. What is this? Like, I just wanted the rainbow, and this is the dysfunctional rainbow. And this food coloring was freaking... Okay, that's an ugly orange. This food coloring was $6, $7. Like, dude. This is an ugly orange. Like, I'm using a lot of red just to make it more purple. Like, what is that? That's freaking purple. I need a knife. This is actually really smart. I'm glad I bought cherries today. It's the best that's gonna happen. It's still kind of purple, but I think I'm just not gonna make that a primary color. I'll just make the purple a primary color. I'm making a gosh dang mess. Oh my goodness. It's sticking. How do I get it out of here? Look, do you guys see? That's flour. It smells like food coloring. Kind of burnt. Looks like a tortilla. That's okay. Hate how that stuff smells. It's literally coming out like a light blue. It's not dark. Just I guess the food color just won't take. I guess I don't know. I am never getting that food coloring again. This is literally, they are the same color. Let me use this purple. They look like tortillas. This was fun. It's literally like not a rainbow, but I feel like it'll still look good. Wait, I'm supposed to like follow the colors. I cannot, like, you would think that $7 food coloring would work. No. And I know that may not seem expensive to you guys, but like, we were like, wow, that was $7. Like, I didn't even check the price because that was the only food coloring they had. And it bit me in the ass. I just went silent for so long. Hello. I've just been, doing this. The cake's like falling over. It looks like crap. Like, what is this? I'm gonna put sprinkles on it to make myself feel better. Does this look anything like tasty? No. But we're gonna go with it. Just to red. Alright guys, moment of truth. Like, let's just hope it looks like a layered cake, okay? It's like melting. But you can see the layers.
You can.
I mean, like, it's not the rainbow. Alright guys. Oh, it's not cutting. Okay, it's falling apart. Oh.
Why don't you use the knife that's right there?
Well, you know, like a cake, I thought it would just go.
This
What
an
is that?
ordinary Cake. Mind the friend.
Yeah. It tastes
Wait.
like Cool Whip
Really?
and wet pancakes. So that's it. Do you want to try it?
Sure.
You can use mine. You just put it in the sink after. Okay, Puma's gonna try it. I'm scared for you to try it. You're a very strong critic. He'll be like, put in the sink. Do you get the consistency? This wet sponge.
Yeah. It's like what you would imagine a Minecraft wet sponge to taste like.
Yeah. Like,
Not taste, but feel. Yes.
yes. I have a wet rainbow cake. If you want to try this, try it. Definitely spread out your pancakes or crepes like away from each other. I think that's why it's a little bit like wet, because I had them like on each other. But I mean, it looks nice like this. Just don't look at the back. Okay, so that's it for this video. I was gonna have my sisters try it, but I don't want them to get a stomachache because it's really sweet, and I don't know if a lot of food coloring is bad for a person. I know like you eat fondant and stuff like that, but I don't know. So I'll probably have them try it tomorrow morning, but it's okay. I think it's just because of the food coloring and the Cool Whip and sugar. I don't know. Personally, I didn't really love it. I wouldn't eat it again unless somebody else made it and it was actually good or something. But yeah, I don't mean to be negative, but it's just the not red and the green threw me off. But yeah, happy Pride Month to everybody, and let me know if you any other video suggestions, if you would like. Follow my Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.